Right now, investigation has thrown light on the sensational links between Rhea Chakrabarti and her family and the drug mafia. 4 drug suppliers, Zaid Vilatra, Basit Parihar, Suryadeep Malhotra and Fayaz Ahmed are under the Narcotics Bureau lens for their direct links with Rhea's brother Shouvik Chakrabarti. Sushant's manager Samuel Miranda is also under the scanner as sources tell Times Now that Shouvik Chakrabarti was the one who introduced Samuel Miranda to Zaid, and it was Miranda who would make Sushant's staff buy drugs from these suppliers. The NCB is all set now to summon Shouvik Chakrabarti and Miranda this week. That's the latest that we are picking up. It was Shouvik Chakrabarti, Rhea Chakrabarti's brother, who in fact introduced Samuel Miranda to the drug suppliers, and then Samuel Miranda would facilitate the buying of the drugs through Sushant Singh Rajput's staff. He would get in touch with the suppliers that Shouvik Chakrabarti introduced him to.
Zaid Vilatra is sir, Times Now, sir.
Times Now?
Yeah.
He's gone out of Bombay.
He's out of Bombay, sir.
He's gone to Ronaldo.
Sir, the NCP has told us that his involvement is coming in the drugs racket with Shouvik Chakrabarti.
Because he's told us that he's gone for a party.
He's gone for a party, sir. Then what does he do, sir? Is a student, sir?
He's got a small kitchen.
At where?
Yeah, Bangalore.
You are his father, sir?
Yeah, his father.
So he's not at home, sir. NCP is saying that he has his involvement in drugs and all, sir.
No, it is a fake thing that someone has propagated his name. Come, come.
Okay.
Just, as it is, the meat comes today.
Will you give us some?
You are not supposed to. We'll have some bottles.
No, nothing, sir.
What's your good name?
Siddhant.
And you?
Satya. Sir, I just want to ascertain certain facts, sir. NCP is saying that he was into that, he was supplying it to Shouvik Chakrabarti.
Actually, what had happened, come sit.
Yeah.
I'll just get you in short. There's some guy called Abbas.
Yeah.
Well, we're moving on now to more breaking inputs coming in. Huge amount of cash has been seized. Money has been seized from drug supplier Zaid. Let's go across to Siddhant, who has more details on this news break. Siddhant. Okay, I believe we're not able to get through to Siddhant at this point in time. But remember, Zaid has been picked up by the NCB. The Narcotics Control Bureau is being interrogated. We're now being told that almost close to 10 lakh rupees were seized from Zaid Vilatra, the supplier of drugs. Now we'll try and connect with Siddhant to get you more details on this news break. We also spoke to Zaid Vilatra's father, Asif Vilatra, who's claiming that his son is innocent, but he's acknowledging the role of Abbas, another drug supplier in the maximum city of Mumbai. Now we've been told that when Zaid was picked up by the NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau, 9.55 lakhs, 9,55,000 rupees cash was recovered, or rather seized from him. Bhavtosh, our senior editor, joins us with more details. Yes, Bhavtosh.
Swati, the link between Bollywood and drug cartel is only getting bigger by the day. The latest arrest has taken place. This is a person called Zaid Vilatra. In fact, the raids that were carried out yesterday by the NCB had led to recovery of 9,55,750 rupees in Indian currency, foreign currency worth 2,081 US dollar and 180 British pound has seized from his residence. Now, during questioning, Zaid disclosed that he runs an eatery shop at Bandra, which was not giving any pecuniary gains since lockdown. He also disclosed that he's into the drug peddling, especially bud, which are in fact imported from US and through which he used to earn substantial amount of money. Based on his interrogation, Basit Parihar, a resident of Bandra, was made to join the investigation. It was learned that linkages of Basit with earlier registered, that is, based on preliminary inquiry of the details submitted by the ED, were found in further matter is investigation. First official confirmation has come from the NCB that Basit Parihar is linked to Rhea Chakrabarti's drug network. In fact, he is a person who was in touch with Zaid. It was in fact actually Shouvik Chakrabarti who made a call to Samuel Miranda. Samuel Miranda got in touch with Zaid, and from Zaid they got in touch with Basit Parihar. That's how the link has been established by the NCB. NCB is India's federal probe agency when it comes to carrying out operations against narcotics and other banned substance. So clearly the scope of the probe is getting widened. In fact, last week itself, Times Now has broken the news that the case is not only limited to Riya Chakrabarti, but some big names will also come under scanner. And the NCB has today firmly and also for the first time officially confirmed that Basit Parihar is linked to people who have been named in the ED's brief note.